Hey all, hope you're all doing well. Today I'd like to do a walk around of my 2018 BMW R9T Urban GS. And it's heavily modified, so let's get started. The front end is a suspension conversion basically from an F800GS. That was all replaced with a kit from R9tadv.com. That comes with everything you need to bolt this on to the R9T, and that does not include the fork legs from the GS or the fork guards from a Suzuki RMZ. But everything else is there and bolts up. It does bolt up, but it is difficult to install, as you can see here from the marks on my fork legs. The springs inside the fork legs were replaced with Touratech heavy-duty progressive rate springs. The front end here is a headlight from Koso, DK Designs, handguards from Barkbusters, and moving on to the cockpit area. This has just a wireless charger from Quadlock, and mirrors are from Puig, and the other side is a Rottweiler performance unit flip kit, the quick flip kit. Yeah, so the crash bars are from SWmotech, as well as the bash plate. The kickstand extender is from Wilbur's, and yeah, the skid plate and the crash bars have already been used a few times, and they do work really well. The exhaust is a unit garage. I love it. Love the way it looks. Sounds great. And the rear suspension here is from Wilbur's. Looks good. Works really well. The whole bike is now 3.5 inches taller. I do wish I got the remote reservoir unit for better cooling, however. But anyway, love it. So the sun's out, and I'm ready to ride. But anyway, stay tuned. There's a lot more videos to come. I have a lot of adventures planned, and this thing is an absolute blast to ride, just on the street and at my ranch. So I can't wait to take it out all over the southwestern United States. All right, have a good one.